Some patterns might actually ask you to work in the back loop or the front loop only of a stitch. So if I get ready to work back down this row again, I'll do double crochet. So I'm going to chain 2, turn the work. Okay, so the top of each stitch is made up of the V's. When the work's facing you, the front loop would be this V here, and the back loop would be this V here. So to work a stitch into the front loop only, you just pick up that first part of the V. We're not going through both like normal, just going through the front loop. So again, front loop only. One more time. Okay, and then to work in the back loop, your hook goes in exactly the same direction, front to back, but you're just putting it through the back part of the V, not including the front. So let's see that again. The back part of the V. So that's front loop only and back loop only.